Swear to God, I'm going to bust my motherfucker. I ain't going to make it to the damn store. I done about slipped off the porch. I done about fell here. I don't like falling. Give me a piece of dry land. Yeah, over there.
Yeah.
This is my peak.
Get your... I'll step on it.
I'll step on it. Fuck, God damn it. Jay, this is why people hate snow. Yeah, they're just stopped.
No, me hate that no too. That is a bad.
We hate it.
Yeah, we hate it too.
We gotta watch out, make sure none of these cars slide. No. Okay, at least it wasn't packed. No, don't make it hurt. He's gonna beat me up. Yeah, it's a lot worse than we thought it would be.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't supposed to stick to the roads. I told myself at least our driveway's not as steep as everybody else's though. Oh yeah, at least it's not like this one though. You see where they parked and stopped. That's as far as they could get.
Look, Mommy, I stopped. I can't move. See?
I just gotta be careful across the driveways because.
I can't move.
Right? We've never had real snow like this until January. And that's every, what, 5 years?
What happened to your white dog? He looked like he was stuck to a tree or something.